What's up guys, welcome back to TechWorld. And today, we are checking out the brand new Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, Samsung's most powerful AI smartphone ever. The first thing you notice is the design. Samsung kept the premium Ultra look, but made it even more futuristic with thinner bezels, a titanium frame, and a cleaner camera layout. The Galaxy S26 Ultra features a massive 6.9-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display with a super smooth 144Hz refresh rate. And yes, this display is insanely bright and ultra smooth for gaming, scrolling, and watching content. Now let's talk performance, because this phone is an absolute beast. The S26 Ultra is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 processor with advanced Galaxy AI features. You get up to 16GB RAM, up to 1TB storage, AI-powered performance optimization, and a better cooling system for gaming. And honestly, multitasking on this phone feels crazy fast. Now the biggest upgrade is the camera system. Samsung added a 200MP main camera, advanced periscope zoom and AI video enhancement, plus Nightography 2.0 and professional cinematic video recording. This phone can record ultra-stable 8K videos and detailed photos in low light. Samsung also introduced a new AI privacy display feature. That means the screen intelligently hides content from side angles for extra privacy in public. Battery life is another major upgrade. You get a 6000 mAh battery, 65W fast charging, faster wireless charging, and AI battery optimization. So battery anxiety is basically gone. And of course, you still get the built-in S Pen, IP68 water resistance, stereo speakers, Samsung DeX, and One UI 8. To recap, 6.9-inch AMOLED, Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 up to 16GB RAM, and that massive 200mm AI camera, starting around $1,399. Honestly, Samsung's trying to make the ultimate AI smartphone here. But now I want to know, would you choose the Galaxy S26 Ultra over the iPhone 17 Pro Max? Comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to TechWorld because here we bring you the future of tech first. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Goodbye.